Okay, this is the Gary Abbott Budget Watch Review. This may be stretching the Budget Watch Review for some of you because this is the Hamilton Khaki Field Stainless Steel Automatic, and in a budget category it is a under $500 watch, but the look of the watch and what you get for the money, I mean, you get an automatic movement that is really good. The watch is really thin. When it comes to this watch, you know, when it comes to case thickness, 10 millimeter thin is a big deal. With the brown leather strap, the leather strap is really nice. It's not a bad strap. It's not a screw down crown, but it's got the date window. It really, it's a really nice looking watch. If you look at the automatic movement with the Hamilton insides, I bought this back in 2021, and a lot of reviewers recommended this watch, and I have to say, this is a very nice watch. Let's take a look at it on the wrist. So there she is on the wrist. The 42 diameter, and I don't know if it's because of the extra casing here. You know, it doesn't look like a 42 on the wrist. Even though I'm sure it is, it appears much smaller. And because it sits so low on the wrist compared to a dive watch at 10, it definitely is comfortable. The band is really good, and you really can't go wrong with this if you spend a few extra dollars. I mean, I have nothing. This watch cuts above many of the other watches. You can find this watch on Amazon. Lots of retailers will sell this watch as well. It is probably one of the most popular Hamiltons that you can get. It is the only Hamilton in my collection, and I really like the second hand. If you see the red tip and how it is right out to the edge of each second, and yeah, it doesn't look clunky, very legible. You can kind of see those inner rings on the dial. You know, it just has you have to look closely, but yeah, it's got the surfaces in there. The dial's very well done. And that's probably one of the reasons it costs what it does. One of the things I haven't mentioned is the water resistance of 100 meters. Yeah. Hope you enjoyed this video. Like and subscribe. Encourages me to show you more watches. And have a nice day. Let me know in the comments what you think of this watch. If you own it. Do you wear it often? It's not like it's gonna stand out on your wrist. It looks like an everyday watch. but there is no sharp edges or anything on this. This watch is well made. Okay,